Hello and welcome to my mini lecture on criminology topics. Our topic for today will be about rank and position. What differs one from the other? Let's start with ranks. Ranks are commonly encountered in military, public safety, and law enforcement professions. Rank is the degree of accomplishment of an individual. Let's go to position. Position is encountered in every profession that an individual may pursue. Since position is the job description, I am now going to provide examples which will differentiate rank from position. Let's start with rank. Sergeant, General, Colonel, PO2, PO1, Inspector, Lieutenant. Those are ranks because it describes the degree of accomplishment of the individual. Let's go to position. Positions will now describe the job description. Okay, you have there supervisor, manager, platoon leader, team leader, squad leader. Those are job descriptions which will now define position. Thank you for participating in this mini lecture and good day.